Have you ever wondered what the secret is to a vibrant, flourishing garden? It's not just about the right plants or watering schedule. There's a hidden army working behind the scenes, and today we're going to unlock their incredible power. Imagine a world without buzzing bees, fluttering butterflies, and the vibrant hum of life. Our gardens would be silent, devoid of color, and the very bounty we enjoy. But there's a way to change that, to create a haven for these tiny heroes. A pollinator paradise. It's a beautiful symphony, but the future of this delicate balance hangs in the air. Pollinator populations are declining, threatening the very foundation of our food system. But fear not, there's hope, and it starts right in your own backyard. Today, we're transforming our gardens from ordinary to extraordinary. We're on a mission to create a pollinator paradise, a haven for butterflies, bees, hummingbirds, and other beneficial insects. These tiny creatures are the unsung heroes of our gardens, playing a vital role in plant reproduction and overall ecosystem health. We'll unveil the secrets to creating a pollinator paradise. We'll transform your ordinary garden into a thriving ecosystem teeming with life. But before we reveal the secrets to attracting these crucial creatures, let's dive into the fascinating world of pollination. This intricate dance ensures the survival of countless plants, including the fruits and vegetables we rely on. Pollinators are nature's tiny orchestra conductors, leading a complex and vital dance that ensures the continuation of plant life and the overall health of our ecosystems. Imagine a world devoid of bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, moths, flies, beetles, and other pollinators. Our gardens would be silent landscapes, devoid of the vibrant colors and buzzing sounds of life. More importantly, the fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds that we rely on for sustenance would experience a dramatic decline in production. Here's a closer look at the magic of pollination. The transfer of life. Flowers produce pollen, a powdery substance containing male reproductive cells. Pollinators, attracted by the flower's vibrant colors, sweet fragrances, and nectar rewards, brush against the pollen grains as they feed. Unknowingly, they become pollen couriers, carrying these tiny grains to other flowers of the same species. When pollen lands on the female reproductive part of a flower, the stigma, fertilization occurs, leading to the development of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Beyond fruits and vegetables, pollination isn't just about the bounty of our harvest. It also plays a crucial role in the reproduction of flowering plants that provide food and habitat for countless wildlife species. From towering trees in forests to wildflowers in meadows, the intricate dance of pollination ensures the continuation of diverse plant life. Cater to different tastes. Pollinators have varying preferences. Butterflies love flat, open blooms like echinacea, coneflowers, and lavender, while bees have a fondness for tubular flowers with hidden nectar rewards such as borage and bee balm. For hummingbirds, consider planting trumpet-shaped flowers like columbine and fuchsia. Now that we understand the significance of pollinators, let's transform your garden into a haven for these essential creatures. Here's a detailed guide to creating a pollinator paradise. Plant a symphony of blooms. Embrace diversity. Ditch the monotonous rows of single flower varieties and create a diverse tapestry of blooms. Opt for native plants whenever possible, as they are adapted to your local climate and co-evolved with native pollinators, ensuring a readily available food source. Bloom throughout the season. Extend the pollinator party by planting flowers with staggered blooming times. This ensures a continuous supply of nectar and pollen from early spring to late fall, keeping your buzzing buddies happy throughout the growing season. Plant in clusters. Don't scatter your pollinator-friendly plants like confetti. Grouping them in clusters creates a visual feast for pollinators, making it easier for them to locate the nectar and pollen they seek. While flowers are the main attraction, creating a complete pollinator habitat requires a bit more. Here's how to create a haven that caters to all their needs. Provide shelter and nesting sites. Bee houses. While not a substitute for natural nesting sites, strategically placed bee houses can offer additional nesting options for solitary bee species, like mason bees and leafcutter bees. These small, solitary bees are excellent pollinators and pose no threat to humans. Be sure to research and choose bee houses made with natural materials like untreated wood or bamboo. Avoid brightly colored houses, as these can actually deter bees. Water wisely. A shallow bird bath filled with clean water or a gently dripping hose provides a vital source of hydration for pollinators, especially during hot and dry periods. Float some stones in the bird bath to create perching spots for butterflies and other delicate insects. Minimize disturbance. Pollinators thrive in areas with minimal disruption. Reduce the frequency of mowing in areas with pollinator-friendly plants. If you must mow, consider creating designated pollinator havens in your yard that are left unmowed throughout the blooming season. Go organic. Many pesticides and herbicides harm not only targeted pests, but also beneficial pollinators. Opt for organic pest control methods whenever possible. Encourage natural predators like ladybugs and lacewings to take care of harmful insects in your garden. Let some things go wild. A manicured garden might look beautiful, but it can be a bit sterile for pollinators. Leave some areas of your garden a bit wild, with native wildflowers and minimal intervention. This provides additional food sources and nesting sites for a wider variety of pollinators. By incorporating these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a thriving pollinator paradise. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. A single balcony garden filled with flowering plants can become a vital food source for pollinators in an urban environment. The more pollinator-friendly gardens we create, the healthier our ecosystems will become. By blending these simple strategies, you can transform your garden into a thriving pollinator paradise. Remember, a healthy pollinator population benefits not only your garden, but also the entire ecosystem. You'll be rewarded with a vibrant, colorful space teeming with life, while contributing to a healthier planet. So, are you ready to create a buzz in your garden? Head over to the comment section below and share your favorite pollinator-attracting plants. Let's create a supportive community of gardeners who are passionate about protecting these vital creatures. Together, we can make a difference.